The beauty of modern arrest, the disarming technique. I will show you how I make the innovation. The innovation is very important because one technique I could translate to maybe 3-4 times. One technique. Now first, look at these movements. This I do it slow. 1. This is striking number 1. See? By the breeze of the stick. You know, the breeze is very important that you will learn because the breezing there to avoid any accident if you play with your partner. But actually, if you strike to me here, I could disarm the right eye direct. I do like that. I don't need anymore to brace. You see? Now, 1. That is. Now, the strike to me, I 1 also. I do like this one. See? Now, 2. Brace. Slice my hand going down and bring it towards you. Bang. Now, I could do that also. 2 here. I move this and I swing it here all the way. And I strike. Now 3, I strike it here. The hand is steady there. This hand will dive through down and swing it as like that he's hiking, you know. You do like that too, it's hiking. See, and you disarm the opponent already. Like if I'll do it here, see my hand is there already, I swing this on. See, it's look like, you know, the technique there. If they strike pass, I'll move the leg like that, huh? See, that is number 3. Number 4, this is snake circle. See, the movements there, oh, is slow. See, one more time, make it slow. Snake, we call it snake circle, right? See? Now, if they do that to me, here, strike, oh, I move that, oh. This, oh, I already lock the thumb. See, it's hurt. Huh? Good. See, one more, strike, oh. The motion, that is number 4. Slow. You do it to me, number 4, slow. Slow. The technique. Bring this point of the cane down at the same time, twist it and bring it to your right ribs. You see? Now the hand of the opponent is already twist. And you push it by your left hand. Oh, that hurts. See? Make it slow. Number 4. Okay. Number 5. If I thrust, it's like that you do block like this. See? I thrust it like that. See? And this hand will strike at my back of my arms, my hand. Here, and bring it to the right. You see? They disarm me. I'll be out balance. 5. Okay? The motion line. If they thrust me, the movement, you know. You see? Now, the number 5 is very tricky. Because if they hold that tight, the opponent, you see, I'll bring this up, I'll put the opponent down. You see? If they hold it, you know. But that is the innovation. I'll show you that later on after Jude will finish the disarming up to 12. Okay? 5 again, do that, slow motion so that you'll pick up. That's the way, and bring it down, swing it all the way to the right, one more. Number 5. Good, now you hang this. To make it more easier, I will hang like this so that you will understand right away. Hang, and swing it down, see? See, hang, oh. You practice that. Everybody practice, huh? 1, hang, swing, hang, oh. At the same time, you step the backward if you want, see? See, at the same time, good. Oh, number 6, you slice it. See, all the way, swing it to the left, to the right, see? Now, that's the motion, swing it to the right, see? Oh, number 6, see? You could do this also even you strike, like this one, number 6, see? If they strike, number 7, see, the motion, they will grab this and bring it like that because this will be the leverage. Bring it down, 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 and they disarm it. See, that is number 7. Very easy, see? Now you follow, everybody, slow. 1, 2, 3. Oh, make it faster. Hop. Good. Number 8, strike down. See, the movement, so you bring it up, and they disarm it. One more, number 8, slow. Insert. Good. Number 8, one more, slow. Good. Very good. Number 9, see? Number 9, they slice this and bring it toward, this will be the fulcrum. You know, if they'll bring it here, this will be the same, oh. See? If I'll do like that, oh. See? Go ahead all the way, see? Oh. Number 10, see? Thrust, oh. Number 11, see? That's the movement. Number 12. Very good. One more. Number 12. Very good. Now, I'll show you. Thank you very much. Will you come forward, Sipo? How the innovation look like very simple. You know, it look like very simple. Because if the opponent will strike it here, you see, if I'll do like that, I swing this is disarm already. You see? Now, if I bring this hand, you see my hand? I slide, instead I hold, I slide this will disarm also. Now, again, if I do like that, I grab this, instead I grab this, I swing this, so this will be disarmed also. I insert this will be locked also. Anywhere. That this is the inhibition of the number one. Number two, if they strike like this, number two, I swing this all the way. You see? Now, if they strike there, I could either disarm it here, or I will swing it all the way. See, I lock the thumb. Anywhere that the opponent will attack, see, this one. If the opponent will attack a chair, see, I could grab it here, see. In slow motion, if somebody will attack you, see, you do like that, see, if they attack a chair, attack, hit me, you do, see, attack again to the head, you do like that, see, you grab, you bring a bang, you see, you swing this all the way, you lock the opponent, see, anywhere, no one could hold you, anywhere, like if you attack down here, see, you swing down, see, and bring it up, the opponent is helpless. After you bring it up and you do like that, this disarm. Now, this technique could be translated with the hand. You know, you don't need the stick. Like attack here. If I'll do like that, see, I have my hand, attack again, I'll drop this and I'll do like that, see, here, attack to here. Yeah, I'll do like that, see, anywhere. If they attack to me here, I break this and yeah. If they attack it here, I swing this right away, see, attack to the head. See, I'll swing this all the way and strike. Yeah, I strike this and swing, see? See, the opponent will go down. See, you grab this, you know, the part of the, one of the part of the body, you know, and this is fatal. You see, but modern analysts must learn how to deflect, how to do it on any kinds of angle of attack at the opponent, that you know how to defend yourself. You know, because all technique like this, if I swing, attack, see, I disarm like that, see? If they attack it here, I swing this all the way, see, I disarm, see, I attack it here, I swing this all the way, I disarm here. See, attack it here, I swing this all the way, I disarm. See, attack it here, I swing, back, I disarm here. Okay? Anywhere, attack here, I swing this, I lock. I swing this, I disarm. Anywhere. If they attack it here, see, I swing this all the way, I lock the opponent right away, Okay, I lock. Anywhere. If they attack here, down, see, I do like that. I swing this all the way. You see, this one is locked also. See, I brace the hand. See? Anything, if they trust me here, see, I swing this all the way, I throw the opponent, You see? Now, but the modern is, if I strike here and they grab my stick, see, I'll do like that, I lock the opponent by himself. You will lock. You see? Very simple, but you must learn only how to attack, brace or brace. This is the brace, hold and attack with this arm. Once that you will know this, the brace and hold, you know, attack here, see, if you attack to me, you attack. The motion, see, attack, see, the motion, see, you swing this all the way, see, no, as if Jim will attack to me, the movements, I'll do like that, see, I'll lock this and I'll go swing, Jim will be helpless, see, if you attack to me here, see, I swing this away, yes, attack to me to the head, I swing this will be this arm, anywhere, you know that the opponent will attack, you will become powerful, what you call modern analysis, in a simple way, but you must learn these movements only. Brass, hold, strike. Now punch, brass, hold, strike. See, punch, brass, hold, strike, anywhere, See, you grab this, See, anywhere. Oh boy. And this we call it the modern analysis.